Today, we're making shredded pork with garlic sauce. This makes for a great lunch or dinner, so let's get cooking. Rehydrate 1 cup of dried black fungus. Woodier mushrooms can also be used. We'll prep 8.5 ounces of bamboo shoots, then mince 2 garlic cloves. We'll peel, then julienne cut 2 carrots. Shred out the black fungus. Then thinly cut 2 pork chops into thin strips. Thinly cut chicken can also be used. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce. Then mix together and let marinate for at least 30 minutes. On a pan set to high heat, we'll add our garlic, then add our pork. For best results during marination, add a little baking soda to velvet the pork. We'll let this pork cook. Once cooked, we'll add our veggies. And mix. If you like your stir fry a bit more saucy, then be sure to double or triple the marinade. Allow it to fully cook for about 5 minutes. We can also cook this in batches if you're making a lot. To portion each one, we'll give it some rice, and then some of our shredded pork with garlic sauce. Yum! This dish has a sort of sweet and sour style, but great flavor that pairs well with the pork. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.